Hey guys, my name is Shubroto and thanks for tuning in. So as I said, I will be making the review of the XIE 900 Pro. So here I am. So this is the headphone right here. Did I say earphone by any chance? I don't think so. Anyways, so this is the headphone. Alright, my mic is in a very difficult position to talk in. I have to talk like this and my camera is right here and the mic is always moving around. Anyways, so if you have already watched my unboxing video, I have already showed you guys that it comes with a bunch of cables and it is pretty portable in terms of usage. So this part is all made up of metal, as you can see. As you can see, this part is made up of metal, and this grill part is also, I think, no, it's not metal. It gives a metal feeling, but it's not metal. The overall construction of this headphone is a mixture of metal and plastic. All of these parts are plastic. So you have the EXA branding on the top, and this comes with a great comfortable foam in the head part also, so it gives a good cushion. Also, the best part about this headphone is that it comes with the memory foam. So these are actually detachable. Let me try to get these off. Okay, I don't want to tear it up, so I will not try it as of now. I will try to do it later and record it if I can. But anyways, so in the left side of the headphone you will find all the controls, beginning with the volume rockers. We literally have a volume rocker in the headphone itself, so it's a great thing. So the volume is pretty good in this headphone. Anyway, after that we have a mute switch which will mute and unmute your microphone. After that we have the headphone jack that I don't use at all because we have the next port, that is the USB-C port, which you can connect to any of your devices, be it a PC, Mac, your iPad, your PS4, anything. You can connect it to anything using this USB-C port. This is the best feature of this headphone, and no cables actually, so that was a plus point for me to buy this. And then you finally have the microphone port. The microphone port along with the headphone port both have this locking mechanism built into them. So if you plug them in and you can lock them, so they will be secure. It won't be coming out if you pull it really hard. You should not pull it hard because then it will break, so we don't want that. So anyways, this was about the IO part in the headphone. You have a subtle branding or logo type of EXA here in both the sides, and it is clearly mentioned left and right. Thank you for that, because oftentimes I get confused where to put these on. So as I said, the ear cups are interchangeable, but the ear cups that we get are really good because they are made up of memory foam, and memory foam is something you see in the higher end headphones. So that is a good thing, and the thing that we can change these is the best thing, because you know, after a year or two these things starts to degrade and they look really ugly. So then you can change it up and make it new again maybe. So everyone who is buying this headphone, I think, is a gamer or does some kind of gaming. So I personally play CSGO, and during my 3 to 4 hour gaming sessions, these were not at all uncomfortable, and I did not have any ear pain after that. Yeah, the memory foam works really well. The headphone is very comfortable. While playing CSGO, I noticed something, that the footsteps were very clear on this headphone.
Hey guys, Editor Shubroto here. So I forgot to do the mic test. Don't mind my voice because I'm a little bit sick. But anyways, this is how the microphone sounds. This is approximately 4-5 centimeters away from my mouth. If I bring it closer, you can hear me very loudly. And if I take it back to the normal position, this is how I sound. And while playing games, my friends have told me that my microphone sounds really good. So the microphone in this headphone is pretty good in this price range. So now back to the video.
While listening to music, it's a different scenario, because when you connect it to your PC with the USB-C connection, then it has an internal DAC, which really helps with the bass and treble control of the headphone. So while listening to music, if you're using the 3.5mm headphone jack, then I would say the sound is okayish. But if you're using the Type-C port, then I'm sure you will really enjoy the music quality of these headphones too. And let me know in the comment section how you like the intro. Is it good? Is it bad? Do I need to improve myself? I know I need to improve the transition type of thing, but I'm working on it. Please let me know in the comment section how was the intro. And this was the review of the headphone. Basically, I am coming to a conclusion that if you have 3000 rupees and you want a comfortable headphone with good sound and with interchangeable ear cups and a bit of portability, then this is the one to go. The brand XI is not that famous, I know, but the headphones they make are really good. The quality is really good. I've been using these for the past 4 months and yeah, the experience has been pretty good. I think after a year I will again revisit to these headphones because I'm not going to buy another headphone pretty soon. So anyways, that will be another interesting video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
सब्सक्राइब कर दो भैया.